Rolling.
We're rolling. All right, everybody. So, got a fun video coming your way today.
Oh, I should probably hold it perfectly horizontal.
Major poggies. I'm gonna just ask you to stop talking.
Oh.
We have Archer, the resident link main of our friend group, is going to be joining the collective as a streamer because he finally has all of his PC parts. We're gonna be building that PC tonight. Me, Pink, and Cap.
Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah, dude.
Oh man.
Say hi, dude.
Hi.
Are you my little pog champ?
Don't ever again.
Winnie girl.
Guys, look. I'm telling you, you tell me I mistreat animals? You guys always say that to me. That's a lie.
Why's your hand around her neck? This is a guy whose tag is Archer666. And I have more followers than him.
You have more followers than him? He already has more followers than Archer666. At you. Challenge him to Smash Bros. What do all these things do, dude?
This is like
The heart.
the heart. That's like the brain. Those are like the sweat glands. They your eyes. That's like the sweat gland for your head. This is kind of like your brain juices.
Like juice?
Yeah.
Okay.
This, I don't even know what that is. That's like your short-term memory. That's your long-term memory.
Cap is taking forever to get here.
Are you abusing your friends for content right now?
Yep. And G Fuel. Buy G Fuel. Use code JoshyVegas at checkout for a 0% discount. Alright, the game plan is Pink and Cap are staying here and they're setting up as much as they can of the computer to buy a Windows key. We're going to buy a Windows key. Oh, I'm sorry. Look who's got a camera. And
Can you get me original Pringles?
you want original Pringles?
Yeah.
We're
Okay.
doing all the work and you're getting free content off your friends.
We are on our way to Walmart right now. Yo, Archer, Young Conqueror, what's happening? The man's got something to show me, he said.
Yes, I do.
Okay. All right. So what's going on right now? Somebody update the situation.
I'm cracked at Overwatch.
So, unfortunately, the chip that we had is too big. It's too big to fit here. This piece in the middle, right here, the chip that we have, too fat. It's too thick.
CPU.
We're gonna have to. We'll be back
Graphics card.
right now.
Day 2, here we are at the Best Buy, getting the rest of the parts we need. Pink right here, Archer right here.
Hopefully we don't come back here tomorrow, but
That would be a blessing.
what we gotta get the CPU mount.
Nice. Getting sent all over New Jersey right now.
Cold.
Really upset at work. My friend's like, I know a dachshund breeder grows, and then sent a picture of Winnie, and I was like crying. So we like went like that week to see her.
Second Best Buy. Yep, we're going in. Here we go. So we finally got everything, dude.
Finally, we think we have everything. There's a huge possibility that we're gonna get 85%.
We don't need to buy screws.
85% of the way done building it and not have something. We don't know how to do this part.
Getting this ball rolling, boys.
We found a wild glizz.
Amazing dog.
So we've officially installed the CPU and fan. That RAM been installed since last night.
We were putting the motherboard in. We found out after 2 days of working on that same stupid thing. I have to put this
Whatever's gonna be immediate.
on this.
It might be like bring your screen and like your perfect.
You know what? I think you put this in from the
like
inside.
your keyboard and stuff.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to turn this off. I have no idea what the frick I'm doing.
Like-
So we turned it on.
Got it on.
And it's on.
I'm hungry.
Once you get those other fans in there and your GPU decides, oh hey, I'm gonna run at 80 degrees Celsius while playing Overwatch.
So you've never built a PC before this?
Celsius.
I've
What
been
the
a part of
frick are
building
you, dude? This is
Oh, yeah, no,
America.
I've never been the head guy.
Get out of America. Guys, on the third day.
Nah.
I had one big role in this. I knew that the
Get money.
motherboard needed to be screwed into something.
I was like, oh no, you're wrong. And then, in fact, I was wrong.
I really feel like you should put that in the computer and just set it there.
I'm going to. That was actually part of my plan.
Just 7 followers followed me.
It's solved? It's solved, right?
No, it's not.
My name is Aaron Yeager. I'm coming at your
Shut up.
mouth. What? That's not a spoiler.
After many long hours, we finally got the thing up and
Finally
running.
did it.
I'm
You
getting
did.
him all the software. Got to put some fans in, but for the most part, this is the conclusion.
This is a very rough draft of what the stream and stuff is going to be like. Like, we're not even going to be in this room. We just have the extra room right now. This will be all cleaned up.
There we go. Yeah, you'll see the other room
Yeah.
with this link. Actually, go top right. I don't really know. I don't use Twitch much. All right, got it done. Guys, we will catch you later. Like and sub, and I'll leave his links in the chat. Links, get it? Because like you're the links in chat. Get
Let's
it?
see who I pick right here.
If he picks Link, it was destined. Okay, well.
Well, that's not a good start.
Yeah.